Don't store dirty diapers in your house. Get them out. Installing the diaper chute is very simple. First, you need to deal with the screen. For a two-piece screen, simply raise it to the open position. If you have a one-piece screen like the one pictured here, remove and store it. To determine the length of the chute you will need, measure from the bottom of the window to the ground, minus the height of the bin. Transfer that measurement to the chute. Connect the receptacle with a snap. Put the support bar into place by wedging it in the window frame. Make sure that this is a snug fit. You are now ready to put the chute and receptacle into place. Feed the chute underneath the support bar out the window until you have the receptacle left in your hands. Place the lip of the receptacle into the frame of the screen. Lower the support bar into place so that it holds it snugly. Go outside to connect the waste bin. Using the quick release connector, line up the notches and the teeth and twist together with a snap. Don't store dirty diapers in your house. Get them out.